In a significant move to boost agricultural productivity and ensure food security, the Indian government has streamlined its central sponsored schemes under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. The rationalization consolidates these schemes into two umbrella incentives: the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana PM-RKVY and Krishonadi Yojana KY, with a total proposed expenditure of rupees 1,01,321.61 crore. These schemes will be implemented through state governments to ensure effective local implementation. The PM-RKVY aims to promote sustainable agriculture, while the Krishonadi Yojana focuses on achieving agricultural self-sustainability, self-sufficiency, and addressing food security challenges. The PM-RKVY encompasses a range of initiatives to address key agricultural challenges and enhance productivity. The mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region has been enhanced with a component for detailed project reports to support sustainable agriculture in their region. By streamlining these schemes, state governments will have the opportunity to develop comprehensive strategic plans for their agricultural sectors, addressing specific needs and challenges. This regionalization is a crucial step towards a more sustainable and resilient agricultural sector in India. By promoting innovative efficiency and sustainability, we can ensure a food secure future for generations to come.